Hello again, guys. So we are halfway to complete the Rubik's cube. So the next step to finish this will be a little bit complicated, but when you complete it, you'll be the most. You'll enjoy more, as you have completed the Rubik's cube so fast. Okay, now so sometimes the Rubik's cube for the third to solve the third layer, first we need to make the yellow cross. We need to make the yellow cross. Okay, so as for me, the yellow cross is already solved, so I'll just shuffle it and do the two layers again. Then I'll and probably I shouldn't be getting the things, and I will explain the scenarios that will be occurring at that stage. Okay, okay. Just shuffle it off. This is a speed cube, but I have been doing it many times, so it's a little bit hard. So okay. So this is the first scenario that we some people will occur. So now we have an horizontal yellow line which is completed. So in this scenario, first what we are gonna do is rotate this layer clockwise and do the right algorithm, and rotate the cube anti-clockwise. Now the cube is magically solved. Okay. So suppose if you have a 9 o'clock here, and it's on a clock, and it's like 9 o'clock, and for that what we're gonna do is you have to do the right algorithm just like this, and do the right algorithm and do anti-clockwise, so though it will magically be solved. So that are the two scenarios that you can occur. And if you occur in a scenario where you have only the center piece here with no yellow piece, then what are you gonna do? The same thing. When you do the right algorithm 2 or 1 times, this horizontal yellow cross will be solved, and again you're going to do the right algorithm 1 time, then the cross will be solved. So now the next step is to solve the middle pieces. Solve all the middle pieces. So now in this thing we have a condition that only one piece should match to its place. For example, green. No other piece, whereas here blue and orange are in their places. It should not be. If we do it, we will be stuck in a place where you have to do it again and again, but you won't get the result. So now this is the thing I told you before, that we need to do we need to learn two more algorithms to finish the third layer. So the first algorithm is it's just like the the right and left algorithm, but it's modified, like R prime and U, not U prime and U. Then again R, and this time we have to rotate the thing. We have to do U prime 2 times and R prime. And let's do it again until the middle pieces are solved. Here, the middle pieces are solved. They are on their places. I mean, in their places. Sorry. Yeah. So this is the part 3 of my Rubik's Cube solving. In the part 4, we will be learning how to solve the pieces here and take it to their corresponding homes. Like this green and orange will be here, and this will be here. And then what we're gonna do is, after they are on their places, like here, like this, after we do that algorithm, and all of them will be in their places, then we will do another algorithm, and then the yellow pieces will be on their places and your Rubik's Cube will be solved just like this. So stay tuned guys, bye bye.